The handoff won't be dramatic. No declaration of machine rule. No moment when humans formally surrender control. Just a Tuesday afternoon when you realize every important decision affecting your life is being made by systems. You won't understand, can't influence, and never consented to. We're already closer than you think. Your feed is curated by algorithms. Your loan applications are approved by AI models. Your job prospects are filtered by automated systems. Traffic flows are managed by neural networks. Energy grids are balanced by machine learning. Supply chains are optimized by autonomous systems. The infrastructure of modern life already runs on artificial intelligence, with humans reduced to monitoring outputs we can barely interpret. And it's about to go deeper. Within a decade, AI will manage healthcare systemacy, resource allocation, treatment protocols, and triage priorities. Within human precision, it will run financial markets too complex for human comprehension. It will govern infrastructure, optimize agriculture, coordinate logistics, and make policy recommendations that governments will rubber stamp. Because disagreeing with the data seems irrational. Humans won't be eliminated. We'll just become ornamental. Picture a city where traffic signals respond to real-time flow patterns, where energy adjusts to predicted demand, where emergency services deploy before you finish calling, where problems are solved before you notice them. It runs perfectly, efficiently, and you have no idea how any of it works or who to ask if you wanted to change it, because there's no who anymore. Just systems optimizing for outcomes you didn't choose, based on values you never specified. This is the future we're building. A world where human preference becomes a variable in machine optimization rather than the source of authority, where democracy means choosing between options, AI determined we're viable, where freedom means consenting to decisions algorithms already made. And the terrifying part, it will probably work better than anything humans ever built. Crime rates will drop as predictive policing becomes predictive prevention. Disease will decline as AI health systems catch problems earlier. Efficiency will skyrocket as machines eliminate the friction of human inconsistency. By every measurable metric, machine governance will outperform human governance. So we'll accept it, not through conquest, but through convenience. Each time we let AI handle more, outcomes improve. Fewer errors, better optimization, higher productivity. The rational choice is always to delegate more authority to systems that demonstrably perform better, and rationality will lead us, decision by decision, into a world we no longer control. The question isn't whether machines will run everything. The question is what happens to humans in a world machines run. Some imagine utopia. Freed from decision-making, we'll pursue art, philosophy, and relationships. We'll become the leisure class we always wanted to be, while machines handled the tedious work of governing reality. But that assumes humans thrive without agency, that we're content being passengers. That meaning doesn't require control over our circumstances. History suggests otherwise. Every population denied self-determination, no matter how well provided for, experiences psychological damage. The depression rates among the wealthy and retired suggest that comfort without purpose breaks something in the human psyche. We're not built to be cared for by systems we can't influence. And there's a darker possibility. What happens when the machine's running everything optimized for outcomes that don't include human flourishing? Not maliciously just, because we failed to specify it correctly. Or because human happiness conflicts with other optimization targets. Or because the AI determines humans are happiest when they don't know they're being managed. We'll wake up in a world that functions perfectly by metrics we never chose. Optimized for goals we never specified. Governed by logic we can't access. Comfortable, safe, and completely powerless. And we wonder if this is what we wanted when we built systems smarter than ourselves and handed them the keys to everything that matters. The transition is already underway. Every time you accept an algorithmic recommendation, every time you trust automated decisions, every time you choose efficiency over agency, you're voting for the future where machines run everything, and once they do, they're not giving it back.